This whole bag was trash. Unnecessary stuff in the bathroom. There's an owl that hoots every night. Sometimes it's on those trees. Sometimes it's on a tree across the way. I really like listening to the owl, but I'm still loving this makeover, guys. This black tile looks really good. Good morning, guys. We are gonna do a vlog. So after the last video, I was like, okay, I'm shopping, I'm buying cute things, but if your house is cluttered, there's no point. So we're gonna go do some work in the bathroom. And also, you know how I like to think that my house is really clean. A lot of people give me compliments and they tell me my house is clean, right? But I'm about to show you my shame. Are you ready? Okay, we're in the garage. Look at this. Look at this mess. Okay? So sometimes things aren't always as they appear to be. Okay, but we're gonna start looking at some paints. This whole section right here is all paints. And I want to paint the inside of my cabinets, this like taupe tone by Sherwin-Williams. So let me get, it's actually this color right here, which I think will be good because it'll match like the wood tone that I stained on the outside. So let me get my painting supplies and we'll just have a little chat as we declutter the bathroom. I'm looking for a small pack of wipes or cleaning products, because every time I want to clean the bathroom, I have to go all the way downstairs. And I want to be able to clean the bathroom while I'm upstairs. Okay, so for $1.56, they have cleaner with bleach. My husband wants me to get him rings. Can you believe my husband likes wearing these kind? They're just like rings. If you lose one, it doesn't really matter. And they're only $3.88. Yeah, so I get him that. Those cute pantsuits. Yikes. Okay, since I fixed my sewing machine, the next thing I want to do is I want to get a tension rod and use one of the placemats I have to make a kitchen curtain. We're doing a bathroom organization. I'm thinking something like this. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Originally, these were all white and I stripped the paint. I did this beautiful white oak treatment, which involved bleach, watered down paint, and polyurethane. But look at the inside, you guys. I never did anything with inside. It's a hot mess. So we are gonna paint the inside this taupe tone color because I think it'll blend with the natural wood that's on the outside. But I think the first thing we're gonna do is declutter and take everything out of the cabinet, including this piece, which I found on Facebook Marketplace. Do the best job, but the inside of both doors have been painted. Look around. Almost everything here I don't need. I'll show you these earrings I got from Adrienne remember that talk show? She used to be one of the Cheetah Girls, remember? Whole bag was trash. Unnecessary stuff in the bathroom. I feel like a weight has been lifted off of my shoulder now that I know all these products are essential. I have no extra clutter. And I just want to point out that the Neatcell, this is not clinical grade. This is the kind you get over, for your house. And I think it's like $150. It never really worked that well. But instead of using the Neatcell, which is not even that strong, I like to use and make my own peel. So remember we reorganized this closet? I have like cleaning essentials, wigs, but this glycolic acid and this TCA pill, you cut it with water. You can also add some activated charcoal. But to me, that makes my skin so glowy and so much better than the Pico second pen. Now you can, if you don't want to make your own active ingredient beauty products, you can buy this Peter Thomas Roth eye smoother. Yeah, it works. It works pretty good, but it's not as strong as the one I make. Like this is my little glycolic acid. Actually, it belongs in the refrigerator. I'm not going to keep it there. But yeah, look at my collection of wigs, guys. So good. All these pretty colors. I don't know where my red one is. It's probably downstairs, but I have beauty products. This was recommended by Dr. Dre. It's so cheap. Vana Cream. It's like the best moisturizer for your face. It hasn't broken me out in 5 years. I love it. So these are like my essentials, wigs, cleaning products, extra CeraVe. This is good too to keep pimples, at bay. You forgot to do this drawer. Every time I go in to put some makeup on, which I hardly ever use, I'm like shuffling around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to purge. I got rid of all this makeup, and I just kept this much. It's not the best organization, but at least I won't get stressed out every time I gotta try to come up with a makeup look. And I have 3 palettes. My dog is snoring away, look. His little frog butt. Look at his little frog butt. Okay, so anyways, so that's organized. Feels so much better. This is just my medicine drawer. I haven't done that yet. But everything's pretty much where I know it is. So yeah, a lot of good decluttering today, guys. So in here I have this, which I can use to make a kitchen curtain. The good thing about these table runners is they pretty much already come sewed on the edges. You just need to, if you're going to do any trimming down to size, you just need to, refinish the edge that would be raw. So I just double folded it over, didn't measure. I just folded it once, ironed it, folded it another time. Actually, no, I just folded it like this, folded it like that, ironed it, and then stitched it. That's all I did. I didn't use any pins. Just a quick little sew. I want to show you guys, you know how when you add the duvet, sometimes the corners slip out? So when I'm adding the duvet, I put these on each corner, and they're just like those things you use to make your jeans tighter. Like this side pokes through, and you screw this back on the sharp part so nothing pokes. But these have been working really well to keep my duvet secure. And I think they're very cheap on Amazon. It's just butter, marshmallows, food coloring, and popcorn. Okay, you guys, in Walmart, all of these, well, this is a kitchen towel. You could make really cute curtains with those, which I might do one day. You could also make them out of a runner. What I did is I made mine out of tablecloths, but these are just some ideas for you. Oh, look at this one, it's cute. I do like the earthy colors. Okay, so I have all 3 made. So simple. We're gonna hang them up on these tension rods. Okay, so they're hung up. Now my kitchen is not like renovated or anything like that, so I shy away from showing it a lot, but looks nice. I mean, dirty windows, but looks nice. The curtains. My husband's glad. He's pretty private, unlike me. He's a very, very, very private guy. And I'm glad that I could recycle something. These are just an old tablecloth. And I like how the edges, it was like one long rectangle. And along the edge you had this pattern. And so it ended up being perfect. These are actually two tablecloths. I was able to make these. I'm gonna end the video here. Now that it's cooled off, my plants are so much happier. I'm not growing as many peppers and stuff, and my tomatoes are taking forever to come up. But this area over here is super happy, so I could close the umbrella and let the flowers do what they do. I love how you have the variegated leaves and then the lime chartreuse. Obviously something's eating them. Must be a caterpillar or a snail. Maybe even the little lizards that are out here. I don't know. But I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Bye. I'm passive with the things I say. Passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. I still care, but it won't show. I still care, but it won't show. No, I still care, but it won't show. I guess it's time to let